Hi, this is Ash. In this week's video, we will be covering group dry-off events and group treatments in EasyDairy. Once you know how, this process is the same for any event that needs to be entered against groups of cows, such as vaccinations or synchrony programs. For this tutorial, I have printed the list of cows due dry this week. I did this using the due dry calendar by clicking on the calendar button at the top, then switching the display to dry off. I then highlight everything due dry this week by clicking on the start date and dragging to the end date. The report at the bottom now displays all cows due dry in the selected period. I then selected Print and Portrait. We will be drying off all the cows on this list and treating them with Eleclox. We will also be doing a second group event for the same cows and treating them with Teat Seal. Entering these events in a group can save hours of data entry as opposed to individually entering each event against each cow. If you are not familiar with the calendar screen or want to learn some new tips on using it, check out our video called Working with the Calendar. Let's start with the group dry off. First, go to the event entry screen by clicking on the events icon up the top. Then click on the group event button and the group event screen will be displayed. There are quite a few options on this screen for doing group events, which we will go into in other videos. For now, we are just going to enter the cows on our list by clicking in the Add Cow ID box and typing the numbers in one after the other, pressing enter between each one. First, I will enter 1464 and press enter. This puts her into the list below. Then 1904, press enter, then 1992, enter, and so on until all cows are in the list. After all cows are entered, click OK and you will return to the event screen ready to enter your event. We are now in group event mode, so the cow ID box is no longer available. To cancel this, simply click on the group event button and press cancel. The first thing we need to enter is the date the event occurred. Let's say we dried off the cows today, so we will leave the date as today and press enter. Next we select our event. Press D for dry off and the dry off options will be displayed on the left. Select 4 for end of lactation and press enter. We are then prompted for a drug. This can be left blank if no drugs were used. For this example, I will select Eleclox and press enter. I then enter the amount used, which was 4 tubes, and press enter. For milk quality assurance, I am prompted for who treated the cows, so I will select myself from the list and press enter. I will leave the session as AM and press enter again, highlighting the notes section below, which has been filled in automatically. You can change this if you want to add something else. I will leave it as is and press enter again. This highlights the save button. Pressing enter again saves the event against all cows in the list. EasyDairy has now dried off those 11 cows. If we go to the group screen, we will see that our in-milk group has reduced to 262 cows and our dry cows have increased by 11. We can also check our calendar screen and we will see that all cows due dry in the selected week are gone. I am also going to treat the same list of cows with Teat Seal. Click group event again and you will see that our list is still populated with the cows we have just dried off. Click OK to continue using this list of cows and we are ready to enter our second group event. The date has not changed, so press enter. We cannot dry cows off twice, so we need to change our event code to T for treatment and A for mammary. These event codes are shown on the left. This time, we will select Teat Seal from the drug list, and our quantity is once again 4. I will select myself again from the treated by list, and leave the session as AM by pressing enter. I am happy with the notes, so enter again, and enter once again to save. That's it, our group event is done. This method of event entry can save you hours. Group events can be done for very large groups, such as vaccinating, where the details of the event are the same for all animals. For other ways to save time on your data entry, check out our other videos using the buttons on screen or the links in the description, where you will also find links to our website and Facebook page. Thanks for watching.